Everyone, here I am making a simple dinner for my family before I'm going to work. This is a pancake here in Norway. We used to eat pancakes for meal and paired with bacon. And we put blueberry jam on top of it, and that's enough for dinner. It's easy to prepare. You just mix flour, milk, little salt, and what else? Flour, all-purpose flour, egg. Yeah, maybe I forget to mention the egg. But I have 4 eggs here, and I have 3 deciliter of flour, 5 deciliter of milk, and a pinch of salt. And here I am making dinner for my family of 5. Oh, there are 4, and here I have done enough now. So they love pancakes, Norwegian pancakes, and it's easy to make. My youngest son
Is it done? It's done. It's done.
is asking every time he comes
Sasuke.
to the kitchen if it's finished, because
Sasuke Uchiha.
he just come from school. So not bad, because I'm about to finish. It's just not much. Here I have only few scope, and they can eat dinner. It's only 2 o'clock, but I know that they are hungry at this time from school, so that's why.
It's the pancakes.
Here is
Pancakes. Pancakes are so done. I hope so.
okay. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
This is just a short clips, and my son is putting a pancake mix. It's good. Then I will spread it, carry the pan.
And it's
Here you
already
go.
starting to ferment.
Yeah.
Not really fermenting.
Does it called fermenting?
No, fermenting is when, like a cheese.
Okay,
Some
so-
cheeses need to get fermented before they're done.
Okay.
That means you may making them, but you gotta wait a little.
Okay. So
Yeah.
here we go. This is nice. Okay, bye everyone. I will continue. If you want to make this, just send me a message and I will give you the recipe. You can put blueberry jam when you eat it, pair with bacon
strips.
bacon strips, and others wants to put in just sugar in it, and that's it. And what do you call that? Margarine.